Hey guys, how's it going? How to create dynamic titles in Revid AI. So to create dynamic titles in Revid AI involves adding animated or visually engaging text overlays to your video. So after you log in and uploaded your video by clicking the new video, you're gonna choose the dynamic. After also right here, go to the new video just to show you. Choose the basically the generation preset and the parameters, right? And the voices or record of yourself and the genre of music. So go back and basically if you want to choose a dynamic title template, Revid AI offers pre-designed title animations. Browse through these and select one that suits your video style. You can go ahead and click the three dots at the top if you want to change the title for the outer or basically for the video, and you're gonna be able to change it and rename it. But if you want to change the text inside, go ahead to the video or the project, right? And then select the part of your video. Let's have an example, this one. And then I'm gonna click the text. I'm gonna zoom in just to show you if I can. Yeah, this one. And then go ahead and, change the color or the font, or you could just go ahead and type right here hi, for example, and change the text overlay for that part. Okay, that goes also for other clips if you want to. Let me go. Yeah, and choose this part for example, and retype it again and change the font and everything. So you can customize the title and adjust the fonts and everything and set the timing for that. So the timing already set. So this part will start with this text. So you can go ahead and once you play the video, right, you will hear the another text overlay. Go to the another text or the other text in the same clip and then type whatever you want, and the same goes for adding fonts or changing the color of your font and everything. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.